Okay, and then I need 14 1/4 mm wrench, and this wrench fits in these bolts, and I can actually open that in this down area. This idea is that I insert my hand in here, and then there is 1, 2, 3 of these bolts, and now when I rotate this final one, what is in, what we can see now in here, in that one, and then when I manage to take that out, it is the specific bolt, and there is 3 pieces in here, and that another side is 3. And next, when I have take all of these bolts away, I can take this front bumper away totally. Okay, and here is 1, 2, 10 mm bolts, and then I open this. And then also that another side also. Okay, and now when I have removed those, I can continue with my lifting, and now I can that front bumper away. And then also there is a couple of things, that there are some cables that I have to unconnect, like horn is there, and then this front hoods lock, what I have to take also away, and then I can lift this whole package away.